Hello, friends. Did you know that many people can save hundreds of euros a month without even realizing it? The key is to eliminate unnecessary expenses. I'm Ana Alvarez, and today on Money Minds, I'm going to teach you how to save on unnecessary expenses and adopt a more frugal lifestyle without giving up what really matters. Frugal finances don't mean being stingy or living in need. It's a smart financial approach that prioritizes what truly adds value and reduces unnecessary spending. Adopting this approach will not only help you save, but it will also help you become more aware of your spending habits and develop a healthier financial mindset. Many of us make mistakes that cause us to lose money without even realizing it. From impulse purchases to subscriptions we barely use. Let's see how to identify and correct them. Common spending mistakes. Impulse buys. Have you ever walked into a store for one item and walked out with 5? This is due to marketing and a lack of a shopping plan. Use the 24-hour rule. If it's not an essential purchase, wait a day before deciding. Often, you'll realize you don't need it. Also, make a shopping list before you leave and stick to it. Avoid emotional purchases and focus on what you really need. The trap of unnecessary subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, gyms, premium apps. Do you really use them all? Take a deep look at your subscriptions and cancel any that don't add real value to your life. Also, consider sharing family accounts or looking for free alternatives. Every subscription you eliminate is extra money you can put toward your savings. Brand name products versus budget. Alternatives. Many private label products offer the same quality as name brands, but at a much lower price. Try these brand name products you still buy, and you'll see how much you can save without sacrificing quality. Often, we pay more just for the brand name, without any real difference in the product. Small spending effect. That morning's coffee, food delivery, impulse clothing purchases. All of these small expenses add up to a large sum at the end of the month. Bringing your own lunch to work and cutting down on restaurant spending can also make a huge difference in your personal finances. Practical tips for adopting a frugal lifestyle. How to differentiate between need and want. Before buying something, ask yourself, do I really need it, or do I just want it on impulse? Asking yourself this question can prevent many unnecessary purchases. A good strategy is to ask yourself if the product will have a real use in your daily life, and if it's an investment in your well-being or just a temporary purchase on a whim. The 24-hour wait method. If you see something you like, don't buy it right away. Wait a day and evaluate whether you really need it. You'll find that the urgency often disappears. You can even extend the time frame to 30 days for larger purchases and analyze whether it's really worth investing in that product or service. Make smart budgets. Divide your expenses into essentials, savings, and investments. Use apps or a spreadsheet to track monthly expenses and adjust your budget based on your goals. Allocate a fixed amount of money to each category and regularly review whether you're meeting your goals. A good budget is the key to effective money management. Here are some strategies to reduce expenses. Cook at home instead of ordering in. Use public transportation or ride-sharing. Buy products on sale or secondhand. Share subscriptions with family or friends. Take advantage of discount and rewards programs. Reduce energy consumption at home to save on utility bills. By cutting unnecessary expenses, your money goes further, and you can spend it on what really matters: experiences, education, investments, or even travel. Plus, avoiding unnecessary debt and maintaining good financial control will allow you to have a more peaceful life. Not living on the edge of your salary gives you peace of mind and allows you to make decisions without financial pressure. True financial freedom begins with good savings habits. By avoiding unnecessary expenses, you build an emergency fund and move closer to a life without financial worries. In short, eliminating unnecessary expenses isn't about depriving yourself, but rather about making smart financial decisions. By applying these tips, you'll be able to save more and improve your quality of life. Every small change adds up, and in the long run, you'll be surprised at how much you can save with simple but effective habits. As you can see, saving doesn't have to be difficult or painful. You don't have to do it perfectly from the start. The important thing is to take the first step. In the next videos, we'll review different personal savings methods. Now tell me, do you already use any of these methods? Comment and share this video with someone who needs to improve their finances. Don't forget to subscribe for more savings and investment tips. See you in the next video.